Good afternoon, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. We're having a cool day. It's about 85 degrees. And guys, I want to show you how we are raising them up. And so we're going to start off and you're going to see some older pictures and older videos. And then we're going to go on to today. Stay tuned.
It smells good.
Yes, it does.
It's pink one.
Purple. Say purple. Petunia.
It's tuna. It smells good.
Yes, it I have my little sugar plum out here. He ain't little no more, but he's helping Grandma go through the bush beans, and he's going to earn him some money for the summer.
Yippee.
Yippee! So we've pulled up all our bush beans, and we're going to get all the green beans off of it, and then I'm going to replant so I can get a harvest probably around the 1st of August. I know, it's just, can you twist it off, or do you want me to get the clippers for you? Oh, there you go. Let's go down here and get these red ones. So pick the ones that are red, not the ones that are blue, because the ones that are blue are not ready yet, but these and these are ready. Yep. Leave the 2 blue ones on there. These are blueberry cherry tomatoes.
Ah, is it because they go from blue?
Yep.
Are these good?
Yep.
It goes from blue to red?
Yep.
Something like a...
Doing great. So Landon's picking my banana peppers for me. You can see we got some cucumbers in there. There's 2 on this one. Okay, I think that's all the peppers here. Let's look over here. Get this one, that's an Anaheim pepper.
Mr. No. Do I get this one?
Yep, that one's ready. Perfect. You see any on these? I
I
don't.
might see tiny ones, but no.
Okay.
Really.
What about down here? No, those need to get a little bigger.
That one.
Those need to get a little bigger. Those need to get a little bigger. Can you get it? Look at that.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Can you get them?
Really hard. Where do I cut that?
You cut it on the stem.
I was wondering where the stem was.
I think you got it, didn't you? Yeah.
Oh, that can get that.
Okay, there's one more in there. Go ahead and get that one. Good job. Okay, so come over here. Are there any yellow squash in there that you see are big enough?
I think I see one. If you could look over.
Yeah, I think it is. See if you can reach in there and get it. Go ahead. It's not going to hurt you.
I don't think I can. Maybe from the top.
There you go. Did you get it? Let me see. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, so this is zucchini over here. See if you can find some zucchini that need to be picked.
I think you see like cucumber.
It looks like a cucumber. Okay, so let's look.
Miss Bear, could you hold that tip?
Okay, so let's look. I don't see, that one's not ready yet. Do we see any over here? No, I don't see any. Do you? We need to look real good because sometimes they hide from you. You see any?
No.
Yeah, that's not ready yet. All right, so we're done up here. Do you see anything or no? There's a couple in there, but I don't think they're big enough.
No, I see that.
Good job. And there's another one in there too. Perfect. See it? That big one?
This one?
Yep. Okay, I think we're done. Ooh, those are beautiful. Look at that.
Looky there.
Looky there. Perfect. What'd you
See
get?
those blue ones?
Yeah.
Got tomatoes, peppers of sorts,
Squash,
squash,
cucumber.
what's that white
That's patty pan squash.
patty pan?
Try one.
Oh, that actually looks very good.
Taste it.
I'm gonna look for one that's good.
There's some over here. Good job. What do you think? Good, isn't it? Fresh blackberries. Look at there.
A bit sour, but I love them.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah, maybe better than strawberries.
Yeah. So go through here and let's get all the blackberries off. What'd you harvest today?
Tomatoes, cucumbers, like peppers of all sorts.
What did we pick earlier on the bushes?
Blackberries.
Green beans.
Yes, green beans.
What do you
Just a
think?
variety of things. Some were harder to pick than others, buried in there, but it's a very fair variety, and I think we did good.
I think we did really good. Thank you
Yeah.
for your help, Shuggy.
And the blackberries were really good.
You like
10 out of
the you like the blackberries?
Yep. So
Pretty good, huh?
yeah.
Is Grandma teaching you how to farm?
Yep, definitely.
Okay. How long
Come
you
in
been?
handy when I'm gonna go.
How long you been farming with Grandma?
Ever since I was a baby.
Ever since you were a baby. Did I have you pushing the tiller?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so now is it time for a swimming day?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Me
Say thank
swimming.
you for watching.
Thanks for watching, everybody, and I might see you in the next video, but
Okay.
bye.
You big chicken. You big chicken. He's a good swimmer. Oh, look at you. So that's the wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We love showing him how to garden and how to grow because we think it's very, very important that we show our grands and our kids, but my kid. Anyway, let's go back to the grands. So we're going to show the grands how to do some farming and gardening. Love you all. Stay tuned. See you soon.